Welcome to the channel. Today, we're heating things up with efficiency as we unveil the top 5 best induction cooktops, the ultimate upgrade for faster, safer, and more precise cooking in any kitchen. I've rigorously tested these models for their heating speed, temperature control, energy efficiency, and user-friendly features, ensuring you find the perfect match for your culinary adventures. For the most up-to-date pricing and detailed specifications, make sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our future kitchen appliance reviews. Let's get cooking with number 5 on our list. Number 5. AliExpress Portable Induction Cooktop. Discover precise cooking control with our portable induction cooktop featuring 20 adjustable power levels from 90W to 1800W and 20 temperature settings ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 465 degrees Fahrenheit. This powerful 1800W burner heats quickly and efficiently, saving energy and cutting down cooking time compared to traditional stovetops. Designed for convenience, the cooktop includes a smart touchscreen with 4 preset modes: boiling, hot pot, stew, and heat preservation. Safety features like a child lock, waste heat reminder, and timer provide peace of mind while you cook. Compatible with pans sized 4" to 10, with magnetic bottoms, it's ideal for home, office, or small spaces lacking a standard stove. Its sleek black ceramic glass surface is durable and easy to clean. Lightweight at just 5.5 pounds and measuring 13.8 inches by 11 inches by 1.8 inches, this induction burner combines style, safety, and performance for your everyday cooking needs. Number 4. SmartBest Portable Induction Cooktop. Experience efficient, reliable cooking with the SmartBest Induction Cooktop, featuring 9 preset power levels from 200W to 1800W and 18 precise temperature settings ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. With an impressive 83% energy efficiency, it heats faster than traditional stoves, saving time and energy. Designed for continuous use, its advanced power control technology ensures stable high power output, quiet operation, and effective heat dissipation. The expanded magnetic coil delivers even heating across cookware for consistent results every time. Built to commercial standards, this NSF-certified, ETL-approved cooktop meets durability requirements for professional kitchens and busy homes. The easy-to-use push-button controls provide intuitive operation, including one-touch boil and keep warm modes. Compact and portable, the stainless steel and glass design fits perfectly in kitchens, dorms, RVs, and outdoor spaces. Safety features like auto pan detection, overheat protection, and auto shutdown minimize risks, making cooking safer and hassle-free. Number 3. Empava Double Induction Cooktop. Elevate your cooking with the Empava 2-burner induction cooktop, offering ultimate flexibility with precise temperature control from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're simmering delicate sauces or melting chocolate, this cooktop adapts effortlessly to your culinary needs. With 18 temperature levels, each burner provides tailored heat for everything from rapid boiling to gentle warming, delivering consistent, gourmet-quality results. The intuitive touch controls feature a pause button, timer, and dedicated settings for melt, keep warm, and simmer, making cooking both simple and enjoyable. Safety is a priority with an integrated child lock to prevent accidental use and an auto shutoff feature for peace of mind. Plus, its sleek design allows for seamless built-in installation or portable countertop use, fitting perfectly into any kitchen setup. Combining style, safety, and precision, the Empava cooktop is the perfect addition for home chefs seeking reliable performance and modern convenience. Number 2. AliExpress Double Induction Cooktop. Discover ultimate cooking versatility with this 2-in-1 portable induction cooktop and griddle. Featuring 2 independent burners powered at 1100W each, 120V, it allows simultaneous cooking with a combined maximum power of 1800W, making it ideal for multitasking in any kitchen. The removable non-stick griddle pan with heat-retaining rubber handles offers even heat distribution for perfect grilling, whether you're cooking pancakes, steaks, bacon, or scrambled eggs. Its non-toxic coating ensures easy cleanup and dishwasher safety. The cooktop surface is crafted from polished black crystal glass, durable and simple to wipe clean. Equipped with knob plus touch controls for precise temperature adjustments on each burner, it's user-friendly and efficient. This induction cooktop works exclusively with magnetic cookware such as cast iron or steel within 4.7 to 9.4 inches in diameter. It includes intelligent cookware detection, displaying an alert if incompatible pots or pans are used. Number 1. Duckstop LCD Double Induction. Cook with precision and convenience using the Duckstop Professional Digital Countertop Induction Cooktop. Featuring dual independent heating zones, you can easily set each burner separately using the clear LCD display for maximum control. With 20 preset levels for both power and temperature modes, you'll have the perfect setting for every dish. Use temperature mode for frying, steaming, or sautéing, and power mode for quick boiling or keeping food warm. Safety is paramount with a built-in child lock to prevent accidental burns, and a simple touch control panel makes operation fast and intuitive. Note that this induction cooktop requires magnetic cookware with a minimum diameter of 5 inches for optimal performance. Designed with a lightweight and sleek profile, it's ideal for both home kitchens and outdoor cooking adventures. Built to North American standards, it includes low and high voltage warnings and ETL certification for reliable, safe use. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below.